Hi everyone, concerned about losing your data while installing the iOS 18 beta? Let's see if it's possible to get the new features without the risk. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the process of installing iOS 18 beta without losing any of your precious data, so you can try out all the new features without worrying about starting from scratch. When it comes to installing beta software, people usually have a lot of concerns, and rightly so. One of the biggest worries is that you might lose all your data, including your photos, contacts, and messages. This fear can be especially daunting if you have a lot of important information stored on your device. Many users are hesitant to try out new beta software because they're not sure if they'll be able to recover their data in case something goes wrong. Additionally, there's always a risk of encountering bugs and glitches that can cause data corruption or loss. It's natural to feel apprehensive about installing beta software, especially if you're not tech-savvy. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the process safely and confidently. Furthermore, data loss can be a nightmare to deal with, especially if you have important files, documents, or projects stored on your device. Losing precious memories or important work can be devastating, and it's something that no one wants to experience. That's why it's crucial to take the necessary precautions before installing iOS 18 beta, and I'll be sharing those with you in this video. In the past, I've seen many users rush into installing beta software without doing their due diligence, only to end up regretting it later on. They might not have backed up their data properly, or they might not have met the system requirements, resulting in data loss or other issues. I'm here to ensure that you don't make the same mistakes and that you can install iOS 18 beta safely and securely. Let's get started with the necessary preparations before installing iOS 18 beta. First, make sure your device is compatible with the new iOS. You can check Apple's website for the list of compatible devices, the link is in this video description. Next, create a backup of your device using iCloud or iTunes. This is a crucial step to ensure that all your data is safe and secure. You should also make sure that your device has enough storage space to download and install the new iOS. Additionally, it's a good idea to disable any two-factor authentication or Face ID to avoid any potential issues during the installation process. Once you've completed the necessary preparations, it's time to enroll your device in the Apple Beta software program. This will allow you to download and install iOS 18 beta. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully and don't skip any steps. Next, sign up to Apple Beta software program. Skip this step if you have previously joined the Apple Beta software program with your Apple ID. Go to beta.apple.com, tap on Sign Up, and log in with your Apple account. Then agree to the terms and conditions and move on to the next step. Then, turn on beta updates. Go to Settings, a General Software Update, Beta Updates, and choose the iOS 18 Public Beta. And update your iPhone. Go back to General Software Update, and the iOS 18 Public Beta update will appear. Tap Update now to begin downloading and installing this update on your iPhone. The moment of truth has finally arrived. Your device is now running iOS 18 beta, and you can start exploring all the new features and improvements. One of the most exciting features is the redesigned home screen, which allows you to customize your widgets and apps in a more intuitive way. You'll also notice significant improvements in performance and battery life. But that's not all. iOS 18 beta also introduces a new feature called Smart Notifications, which uses AI to prioritize your notifications based on their importance. You'll also get to experience the new and improved Siri, which is more conversational and helpful than ever before. And with the new App Library feature, you can easily find and organize your apps in a more clutter-free way. In this video, these are the necessary steps to install iOS 18 beta safely and securely, without losing any of our precious data. Remember, it's always important to take your time and follow the instructions carefully when installing beta software. With these simple steps, you can start exploring all the new features and improvements in iOS 18 beta. Thanks for watching.